Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change primary column here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the primary column in Smartsheet involves selecting a different column to serve as the main identifier for rows in your sheet. The primary column is essential for organizing and referencing rows. Now, first thing is, once you are on the homepage of your Smartsheet account, open the sheet where you want to change the primary column. In my case, I'm going to be working on this one. Now, once you are on the file that you're going to work with, if you are on the grid view, basically the primary column is set to default on the left side, like this one right here. And for example, you wanted this assigned to as going to be your primary column. For example, I'm going to rename this one and going to put in something like this. I'm going to click OK. And I wanted this as the primary column instead of this one. For you to be able to do that is once you are on this specific column, just drag it on this side. You see that? Now, this is going to be my primary column. That's the only way that you can work with here in Smartsheet. All right. Now, another option is just create a new Smartsheet. Then, of course, you can use a different view, timeline view, board view, and a lot more. And then, of course, make the primary column your intended column in the first place. All right. That's another way for you to be able to do it. Otherwise, that is the only way right now in Smartsheet. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.